Hi, good morning. This is Shiv Prakash. How are you all? Today I am going to discuss about how to lose your weight. Nowadays the peoples are suffering from obesity. They don't know how to control it. A lot of peoples are worrying to reduce their weight. If you want to reduce your weight, first do the one thing. It is very important. Don't skip your breakfast. And any time meal, if it is breakfast, lunch or dinner, don't skip it. You have to take a balanced meal at every time. Avoid non-vegetarian, avoid junk foods, avoid oily food. Instead of take lot of fruits and vegetable and fiber contained foods and drink a plenty of water a day. Now I am going to give you the tips. It is home based, you can do it from the home. Take 200 ml of apple cider vinegar, mix with 10 ml, drink at the early morning in empty stomach. It will help to reduce your weight. This is first. And second, cardamom and cinnamon. The two things you have to make it boil with the 10 to 25 ml of water. Make it little warm and drink at the empty stomach continuously. It's not 1 or 2 days. If you take continuously, it will reduce your body weight. The apple cider vinegar also you have to take continuously daily. If you skip, there is no use. If you continue daily and go for walking at least for 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, along with this you can control your weight and try to take a balanced meal. This is my suggestion to you all. Kindly follow this and look young and stay healthy. Have a good day. God bless.